Sunday morning, and Teagan, where are we going? We're going to the beach. Where are we gonna go? What are you gonna do when you're down there? Teagan, are you gonna squirt mommy?
No, but you.
No! You squirt.
Yeah!
Squirt mommy.
Please.
Come here, let's get your sunscreen on.
Come on. Go to the beach, beach. Go to the beach, beach. Go to the beach. Go to the beach, beach. Go to the beach, beach. Go to the beach, beach. Go to the beach.
Which way is the beach?
That way. That's right there.
Okay, let's follow the map to the beach.
Yeah. Whoa, the closer. The closer to the beach. The closer to the beach.
We are getting closer.
Yeah. The closer to the stay.
Andy found the beach. Andy threw his acorn in the water. You found some treasures?
Yeah, now my shovel.
Well, here's all your stuff.
That you. Russia. Look, that big. We got it. We got it. It is.
Go.
Look at Ben way out there swimming around.
I think someone likes going to the beach. Though we're heading back to the car.
We're here about an hour. I think everyone's getting ready for lunch now.
He told us it was time to go. But he had a good time.
Yeah, squirting me. Squirting me with this noodle. Look who came over today. Teagan, who's here? What?
I don't think
no,
so.
that doesn't look like Grammy and Grandpa. Who's that?
Oh, that Ryan.
That's
Jenna.
that's right.
I'm bigger than you.
So I don't know if we're gonna do it next weekend, but I have found the most amazing sounding event in Portland, Maine.
I can't believe people made money for this.
Ben isn't sold on it, but it's the Circus Acrocats.
Featuring Cluck Norris, the chicken.
Yeah, featuring Tuna and the Rockettes.
Now, if Ryan's in, would you be in? Well, I'll go, but I just think that $22 a ticket is a little expensive.
But there's a meet and greet with the band.
Stay in their cat carriers.
There is a meet. How many concert tickets do you get where you get a meet and greet with the band for $20?
Yeah, but most of the time they're people. Let's just say, let's put that up there now. Normally they're people, not cats.
I don't know if we're really going to do it or not, but it's out there now.
Bye, Ryan.
All right. Yeah. Bye, Teagan.
Bye. Bye, Jenna.
Bye. Oh, he's out. He's done.
What a busy day, huh?
Vlog over. Not really.
Wow.
Do you want to go in and have some milk and popcorn and watch DuckTales?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, got more popcorn.
What? He loves popcorn.
Popcorn is delicious. I don't really care for popcorn, but he is a popcorn monster. Absolutely.
Popcorn monster.
You have to go potty?
No.
Have you peed your pants already?
Popcorn.
How can you tell?
Has he?
I don't know. I was just asking. He's soaking wet, so.
Hard telling, not knowing.
So Jenna and Ryan were nice enough to give our truck a jump start. You may remember the other day the battery was dead and I couldn't find our jumper cables anywhere. They gotta be here, but I don't know where they are. So thank you, Jenna, for coming over.
No problem. The traveler saves the day.
See, and they're gonna look for a new car replacing this beautiful specimen.
This beautiful specimen has 241,000 miles on it. Original miles.
That just makes it more reliable. I bet it's got a cross-country road trip left in it.
I would like to see it get 300,000 miles, but
There you go. What are you at right now? 200 some on?
241?
I think I'm gonna say that to Ryan. Jenna thinks you can get to 300,000.
No. Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna go tell him right now.
No, don't you dare tell him.
Here we go. I'm gonna go tell him.
Thanks, John.
So Ryan, Jenna says she wants to get this car up to 300,000 before she even considers getting a new car.
Okay.
No, why?
I can get behind that.
Trouble? Why? You know what? I'm gonna like turn on your dome light for you. Is that okay?
Oh, ha ha ha.
Ha ha. Har har har.
So it sounds like next weekend I'm gonna be puppy sitting again. I haven't puppy sat in a while.
Because last year.
So me and the dogs will be up to our old tricks, and hopefully I won't lock myself out again.
Well, that key is still in.
Okay, this key is
Make
still
sure-
in the same spot.
It is, but just let Maggie stay on the porch. Like that's where the shocking collar goes.
There they go, bye! So while I was downstairs, look at this, Ben and Teagan cleaned up the living room. It looks amazing.
Yeah, that's the play. Cookie Monster.
And now they're playing Cookie Monster Play-Doh.
Yep.
I know it's wrapping up as we speak, and it's all done by the time this video's online, but I've been meaning to ask all weekend, were any of our fans at BronyCon this past weekend? How was it? We wanted to go so bad, didn't we, Ben? But we just couldn't make it work.
Yeah, we just couldn't. We couldn't do it.
Hopefully next year, fingers crossed. But we are going to HasCon.
Yep.
So, I'm curious, you know, how was BronyCon this year? Let us know down in the comments. And we're also curious, is anybody else going to HasCon? Is it just going to be me and Ben?
We're gonna rule the place.
We're going to vlog everything that Saturday anyway. Saturday, September 9th, Providence, Rhode Island, Ben and John at HasCon.
It rhymes.
Yeah, I like it.